These 5 facts sound made up. They're not. Number 1. Venus's day is longer than its year. It spins so slowly that one full rotation takes longer than its entire trip around the sun. Number 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them literally stop beating when it swims, which is why they'd rather crawl. Number 3. Oxford University was already teaching students before the Aztec Empire was even founded. Number 4. A teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons. And number 5. The wildest one. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the Great Pyramid.